Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect Apple Music on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. So keep in mind, to be able to use Ladder, you're going to need a premium subscription, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time, but Ladder cannot be used for free. So once you've done that, we can get started choosing our theme right here in the bottom right corner in the theme section, from where we can go ahead and take a look at whose theme we want to be a part of and whose workouts we want to follow. And now we can get started with those workouts. So to connect Apple Music on the Ladder application, you're going to simply grant the application permission to access your media library. So basically you're going to start any of your workouts right here. As you can see, I have a workout, and once you're going to go and be able to start, you're going to be able to access all the workouts right here, timers and so on. So once you click start, it's going to go ahead and enable the workout to start. Is going to enable you to follow along, and you're going to see an Apple Music icon right next to the Spotify icon that you can go and tap on and then give it permission to access your library. And this is how to go and listen to music while working out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.